Hi everyone, this is Michael from the Central Kansas Library System, and I'm going to show you how to go through some of the Hoopla Digital resources on their resources page. And you can use these for help in marketing and promoting Hoopla to your patrons. Now, in another video, I've already gone over the home screen. So today I'm going to go over the marketing and training resources screen. In order to get here, you just go to resources.hoopladigital.com. That will take you to the home screen. And then let's click on Marketing and Training Resources. And so you'll see here a list of things that are categorized by the resource type. So you can narrow down by whatever type of print format that you're looking for. If you're looking for some things to use on social media, at your self-checkout page, or some videos to share, you can find that under digital. Editorial support assets. Those tend to be more seasonal type of promotions, and so you can see it's broken out by the quarter. So the first 3 months of the year, second 3 months, fourth 3 months, and the last 3 months of the year for 2020. And then, of course, down here you have some more videos, and these will be more like training type videos. And then we have a special section for getting started with Hoopla, and this would be great for promoting Hoopla to patrons that have never used it before, or that may need some help getting started with the basics. So just to give you kind of an idea of some of the things that are available here, let's take a look at some print posters. And then here you can see a list of all of the different types of posters they have. So here's one that's new to comics, and you'll just want to look, if you want to know what each one is about, you just want to look right here in the title to figure out what that poster is about. There's a folder here, so if you want to do any book clubs, they've got certain books that they chose. And then let's see, let's take a look. And of course, if you want to see any of these posters, all you need to do is click on them. And this one is called 30 Books in 30 Days. And so it's a promotion to, if you wanted to do something like this for your library, you could challenge people to read 30 books in 30 days, or you could have a group of people try to do it or whatever. And these are the books that would be all available on Hoopla that they could use for that challenge. And of course, this is a printable poster. Here from 2019, we have BBC Best Of. And so these are promotions for BBC television series that are on Hoopla. And so it can also be a nice way to promote things to some of your patrons that they might not otherwise know about. And of course, there's so many more posters that are available than the ones that I'm going to show you here. But it's fun to just take a look and see if you find something that may fit in with a program you're doing, or even that you really like especially, or that you think your patrons might like. You could use that and print the poster, or you could post the poster onto social media and do a digital promotion that way. Of course, if you want to print a physical poster, you can also ask CKLS to do some poster printing for you, and we can print it on fairly large paper. Now, there are some other really cool things here as well. So if you look at the activity kits, these are things that you could print out and actually have in your library as take and make programs. So let's take a look at this Star Wars Reads. And it's got some coloring pages, some fun activities like code breaking, mazes, and things like that. And so they can go with your Hoopla collection, but they could also go with any kind of program that you're doing that is Star Wars or space, science fiction themed. Here's some Batman, so you could have some superheroes. And there's actually a few lesson plans you can find. And so let's take a look at Walking the Rainbow. And so this actually gives you instructions for how to do a very basic activity for creating a colorful rainbow using paper towels and colored water. And it's also a great science experiment. There's a digestion activity, gingerbread trap, and things like that. So these could actually be pretty much pre-made programs that you could do. And this is all from the Hoopla website. Over on the side, we have collection support, and these are some very specific things that you might use for your collection. And so, let's see, here's one curbside pickup, and so this would be a special type of thing that you can use when you're doing curbside pickup, and it promotes Hoopla to your users. Here's something for Alexa, so if people are starting to use Alexa, you can have specific promotions for them. Movies of the month, and there's just so much here, and I won't spend too much time, but there's so many things that you could just browse through and look here that really help you promote Hoopla to your patrons, and you don't even have to do anything and create anything. Let's just take a look at some of this how-to stuff. So we have Hoopla social media graphics, and these are set up to be formatted specifically for social media. And so here we can see IG, which means Instagram. Here's FB, which means Facebook. And so these images are formatted to be the right size so that they work really well on your social media platform. If you want to create your own promotion, you can get some logos here from the Hoopla logos page. And then they do have some pre-made how-to guides. And so you have getting started with Hoopla, and it tells them how to use the app or use the web browser, and it's just some basic instructions that you could print off and have available to anyone who is more interested. You could hand it to them at the front desk. And again, there's so much more here that you can take a look at, but that's all I'm going to go through right now. So I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.